Most over-the-counter cough medicines contain dextromethorphan or DXM. DXM has been used as the active ingredient in cough medicines for years, but most people don't know how dangerous it actually is. In fact, it is so dangerous that it can become fatal for children and young adults. It is one of the main reasons for emergency room visits and drug-related death in young adults. All parents should be warned that approximately 10% of children do not have the proper enzymes required to metabolize DXM effectively, leading to extremely dangerous consequences. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, children and infants under the age of 2 should never be given OTC, over-the-counter, cough and cold medicines, because serious and potentially life-threatening side effects can occur. Additionally, in July 2004, a study published in the Journal of Pediatrics found that neither dextromethorphan nor diphenhydramine was more effective than a placebo in improving the nighttime cough or sleep of 100 youngsters with upper respiratory infections. So, the next time, instead of reaching for dangerous and ineffective over-the-counter cough medicines, try this homemade cough and lung inflammation recipe. This is a very powerful remedy that is faster acting than any cough syrup on the market. The ingredients in this remedy are common everyday items: turmeric, thyme, cloves and honey, that work together to create a potent remedy for congestion, cough and lung inflammation. Thyme relaxes the muscles of the trachea and bronchi, opening up the airways. Ginger is naturally anti-inflammatory and has an expectorant action. Homemade cough and lung inflammation recipe, more powerful than any cough syrup and faster acting. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag, ½ teaspoon ginger root, fresh grated, ½ teaspoon turmeric, a third teaspoon thyme, 2 teaspoons raw honey, juice of half a lemon, or 1 drop lemon essential oil. Directions: place the tea bag and herbs into a large cup with boiling water. Let them steep for several minutes. Strain and add raw honey and lemon.